Think you've seen every kitchen tool under the sun? Think again. Today, we're uncovering 20 crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets. Wild, clever, and surprisingly useful tools that make cooking, prepping, and organizing way easier and more fun. These aren't your everyday utensils. Stick around because by the end, you'll be wondering how you ever cooked without them. Number 1. Dash Mini Waffle Maker, 4 inches. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker 4 inches is perfect for making quick, delicious waffles anytime. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or on-the-go breakfasts. Non-stick plates allow easy cleanup, while the fast heating design ensures golden, crispy waffles in minutes. Stylish and practical, it fits perfectly on any countertop and is great for singles, couples, or as a gift. Enjoy easy, convenient, and fun waffle making at home or while traveling. Number 2. StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer, Gen 3. The StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3 is a must-have kitchen gadget for hands-free cooking. It automatically stirs soups, sauces, and stews, preventing burning or sticking. Adjustable speed settings and heat-resistant construction provide safety and flexibility. Compact and portable, it fits most pots and pans, making it perfect for busy home cooks or anyone who wants effortless stirring. Save time, reduce effort, and achieve perfectly cooked meals every time with this practical, convenient tool. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer combines convenience, speed, and versatility for healthier cooking. Air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate meals with little to no oil. Its 6-quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prepping. Digital controls make it easy to select precise cooking functions, while the removable non-stick basket ensures simple cleanup. Ideal for busy households or health-conscious cooks, it delivers crispy, flavorful results every time without compromising on taste or texture. Number 4. Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer 5.5 QT. The Ninja AF 161 Max XL Air Fryer 5.5 QT offers a large cooking capacity for family meals while reducing oil usage for healthier dishes. Adjustable temperature and multiple cooking functions allow you to fry, roast, bake, and reheat easily. Dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning effortless. Perfect for busy home cooks, families, or anyone looking to prepare quick, crispy, and flavorful meals. It combines convenience, efficiency, and versatility for everyday cooking with delicious results. Number 5. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale, 22 pounds. The Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale supports up to 22 pounds and provides precise measurements for cooking, baking, or portion control. Its sleek stainless steel surface is durable and easy to clean. Large, clear LCD screen displays measurements in grams, ounces, pounds, or milliliters. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in any kitchen drawer. Ideal for home chefs, bakers, or health-conscious users, it offers convenience, accuracy, and reliable performance for everyday kitchen tasks. Number 6. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine brings cafe-quality coffee to your home. Equipped with a built-in conical burr grinder, it delivers freshly ground beans for maximum flavor. The steam wand allows frothing milk for lattes and cappuccinos. Intuitive controls and customizable settings make perfect espresso easy for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Durable and stylish, it combines high-performance brewing with convenience, allowing coffee lovers to enjoy professional-quality drinks without leaving the kitchen. Number 7. Ooni Koda 12 Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven. The Ooni Koda 12 Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven delivers restaurant-quality pizza at home in minutes. Reaches up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly crispy crusts and evenly cooked toppings. Lightweight, portable, and easy to set up, it's perfect for backyard parties, camping trips, or family gatherings. Durable construction and efficient gas operation ensure convenience and consistent results. Make authentic wood-fired pizzas effortlessly while enjoying the flavor, speed, and fun of outdoor cooking anytime. Number 8. Meter plus Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. The Meter plus Bluetooth Meat Thermometer ensures perfectly cooked meat every time. Wireless design and app connectivity allow remote monitoring for precise temperature control. Features guided cooking, temperature alerts, and pre-programmed settings for different meats. Ideal for grilling, smoking, or oven cooking, it prevents overcooking while maintaining juiciness and flavor. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, this smart thermometer is perfect for home chefs and BBQ enthusiasts who value precision and convenience. Number 9. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0 brings restaurant-quality results to home kitchens. Connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for precise temperature control, ensuring evenly cooked meat, fish, and vegetables. Compact and portable, it fits most pots and is beginner-friendly yet professional-grade. Easy to use, durable, and efficient, it guarantees juicy, tender results every time. Perfect for culinary enthusiasts or anyone who wants to create gourmet meals with consistent, precise cooking without extra effort. Number 10. Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker delivers perfectly cooked rice every time using advanced fuzzy logic technology. Automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time for consistent, fluffy results. Features multiple menu settings for white, brown, sushi, and porridge rice. Compact, energy efficient, and easy to clean, it's perfect for small families or anyone seeking reliable, high-quality rice at home. Durable and user-friendly, this rice cooker is a kitchen essential for everyday convenience and excellent results. Number 11. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender 48 ounces. The Vitamix Explorian E310 blender provides professional-grade blending for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its 48-ounce container handles family-sized portions, while variable speed control offers precise texture customization. Durable blades crush ice and ingredients effortlessly for smooth, consistent results. Perfect for health-conscious individuals or home chefs, it combines power, versatility, and convenience. Easy to clean and built to last, it's ideal for making delicious, nutritious meals with minimal effort in any kitchen. Number 12. Hamilton Beach The Scoop Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Hamilton Beach. The Scoop Single Serve Coffee Maker brews 1 cup at a time with ease. Compatible with K-cups and adjustable brew sizes, it allows customization of strength and flavor. Compact design fits any countertop or dorm room. Quick brew technology delivers fresh coffee in minutes, while removable parts ensure easy cleaning. Perfect for singles, students, or office use, this coffee maker provides convenience, speed, and consistently flavorful results every morning. Number 13. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner 6.2 2 quarts. The OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner 6.2 2 quarts makes washing and drying leafy greens effortless. Large capacity accommodates family-sized portions, while the non-slip base and comfortable pump handle provide stability. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Durable and practical, it keeps greens crisp and fresh for salads, sandwiches, or meal prep. Ideal for busy home cooks, health-conscious families, or entertaining, this salad spinner combines convenience, performance, and quality for effortless kitchen prep. Number 14. Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer 4-in-1. The Fullstar Pro Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer 4-in-1 simplifies meal preparation. Features include chopper, slicer, dicer, and spiralizer for fresh fruits and vegetables. Stainless steel blades provide precision cutting, while the compact design allows easy storage. Perfect for healthy cooking, meal prep, and family meals. Save time in the kitchen while creating nutritious, visually appealing dishes. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, it's a versatile tool for anyone who loves convenient and creative cooking. Number 15. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener opens cans safely and effortlessly. One-touch operation is ideal for seniors, children, or anyone seeking convenience. Battery-powered and compact, it fits in any kitchen drawer and doesn't require manual effort. Durable construction and sharp cutting mechanism ensures smooth, precise results every time. Perfect for busy households. It saves time and energy during meal prep, providing a practical, safe, and efficient solution for opening canned foods. Number 16. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker 6 egg capacity. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker simplifies breakfast preparation with the ability to cook up to 6 eggs simultaneously, supports boiling, poaching, and steaming for versatile meal options. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, it's ideal for kitchens with limited space. Automatic shutoff ensures safety, while fast cooking saves time. Perfect for families, students, or busy mornings, this egg cooker delivers consistently cooked eggs with minimal effort, combining convenience, efficiency, and reliability. Number 17. COSORI 12-in-1 5.8 quart Air Fryer. The COSORI 12-in-1 5.8 quart Air Fryer offers healthy, oil-free cooking for a variety of dishes. Includes presets for frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating. Large basket accommodates family-sized meals, while the digital touchscreen allows precise control. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Ideal for busy families or anyone seeking healthier meals. This air fryer produces crispy, flavorful food every time. Energy efficient and versatile, it's a must-have appliance for modern kitchens focused on convenience and taste. Number 18. Instant Pot Duo. Crisp, 11-in-1, air fryer and pressure cooker. 8-quart The Instant Pot Duo. Crisp, 11-in-1. 8-quart combines pressure cooking and air frying for versatile meal preparation. Features include steaming, sautéing, roasting, and more with smart programs for precision cooking. Large capacity accommodates family meals or entertaining. Durable, efficient, and easy to clean, it reduces clutter in the kitchen. Perfect for busy home cooks, it provides speed, convenience, and consistently delicious results for everyday meals or special occasions. Number 19. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Starter Kit. The SodaStream Terra Starter Kit lets you create sparkling water at home easily. Compact, stylish design carbonates water in seconds and works with flavor syrups for personalized drinks. Eco-friendly and reusable, it reduces reliance on plastic bottles. Perfect for homes, offices, or parties, it provides convenience, cost savings, and healthy hydration. Durable, reliable, and simple to operate, this sparkling water maker is ideal for anyone seeking refreshing beverages with minimal effort. Number 20. Ninja Cree My Deluxe Ice Cream Maker 11-in-1. The Ninja Creamy Deluxe Ice Cream Maker 11-in-1 lets you make ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and milkshakes at home. Compact yet durable, it fits any countertop and provides consistent, creamy results. Simple controls allow customization of flavors and textures. Perfect for families, kids, or dessert lovers, it enables creative frozen treats without artificial additives. Fun, versatile, and easy to use, this ice cream maker delivers a premium dessert experience conveniently at home. That's a wrap on 20 crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets. From clever tools to innovative gadgets, these picks make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Don't wait. Grab your favorites before they sell out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on all the latest kitchen gadgets and must-have Amazon deals this year.